I do mislay toys from time to time. They get stuck somewhere in the house. I've got 25,000 toys everywhere. And this particular pair I've been missing for about 6 months. I badly wanted it 2 months ago when I needed them. They're what they call the run after tops from the Japanese. Very, very clever design, both of them. And to show them, actually, I need to put them on the table and then show them spinning, because they do something very clever. So you set the thing spinning, just a spinning top, and you put the discs on the top surface and they stay inside. And what's interesting is the smaller of the two, and they're very, very closely sized, but one is very slightly smaller, and that goes faster because it's touching close to the perimeter of the top, which is going faster than the inside. Ooh, let's kick it out. Look at that. That happens sometimes as well, too. What's nice about this particular model is, and this is the first one that I bought from Caspar Schwaber from the Yaha Gallery in Zurich, was it shows an Aesop fable, of course. It shows the rabbit and the tortoise, or no, the hare and the tortoise. That's right. And this one, being the slightly smaller one, will go faster and will undertake. It slides in underneath several times during the running cycle of the top. So the hare and the tortoise shown in the form of a very, very clever Japanese spinning top toy. And the other one I discovered about at the same time, but I was given it about a year later by Caspar. And this is something I had it in my mind. I wanted to show it back in February when we were showing policemen chasing after robbers and things, because this is what this one is showing. It's the law catching up with the robber and arresting him, well, sliding underneath him anyway. So let's look at how they depicted it. The robber is what you expect, a fairly robbery looking sort of face. I'll hold it like that. But the law is interesting. If it was in England, it would be a sort of a stern-looking constable or smiling policeman. In Japan, they just show it abstractly as what I assume reads out the law in Japanese. This is the law, and he'll be after you if you rob people and need to be chased after. So what an extraordinary idea that is, produced in that form. So here's a wonderful couple of tops which have finally been rediscovered, and they're both very clever designs, and they've got particularly interesting artwork to them. I love particularly the idea of the law being shown as a lantern with the law inscribed in it. But welcome home. These have been missing for about 6 months, and I'm very pleased to get them back again.